Hey guys, today I'm repairing an old fridge, like 15 years old. Not that old, but it's old. If it was made before COVID time, it's old. And it's a leak, and I just found the leak. We'll show. It's right here in that area. Yeah, probably you'll be able to see it bubbling right here. Okay, the good thing it's the copper pipe. So we will do a few dots of copper in that area, and I'm pretty sure it will fix the issue. We will vacuum it, recharge it, and the fridge will be like new. You see the date on it is 2010, which is good. We always recommending to repair your old stuff because it's better, much better quality. See you guys.